Hello, good morning, good morning. I just wanted to make a video this time. I wanted to show you guys how I go about building this spreadsheet. So I'm gonna go ahead and start from the screenshot that I take every day, and then how I pick that information up from Thinkorswim, and then how I contribute to the spreadsheet. Okay, so first things first. As you can see here on this spreadsheet, I'm already done with 2023. I'm going to start with 2024. So usually what I do, I just go line by line. For example, the first one right here is going to be LBPH. That's going to be, just bear with me. I mean, it's going to be a little bit slow, but at least you'll understand what the process is and how is it that I go about building this spreadsheet. So there goes the date, LBPH, price, 18.67. I'm picking this up from here, as you can see. Market cap from here, 445.41. Outstanding shares, 23.86. The change previous day, minus 2.7%. The pre-market volume, here it is, 6.44. Float 17.11. Shares float percentage 2.92. The volume average 258. This should be a formula. Previous close, pre-market high, open. Okay, the rest I'm gonna get right now. So let's start with previous day volume. So we're going to go somewhere around a couple of days after 2024, January 2nd, 2024. So we can go something like January 5th, 2024. You want to see the daily chart. And then the ticker that we're working on is LBPH. The day that we're working on is we want to see how much volume there was the prior day before before January 2nd. So this is January 2nd. This is the day that we want to know how much volume there was. As you can see, that's just 123. So I'm just going to put 0.123. 0.123. That's very, very little volume. But sometimes you would see that there are some stocks that the prior day they traded a lot. They traded a lot of volume, and that really helps in the determining, what if there's going to be a lot of volatility, if there's going to be some strong ups and downs. So it really helps. And then we're going to go to the intraday now. Intraday chart. Let me see. Whoa, not there. But here. January 2nd. You could go to the 2-day, 2-minute chart, or you could do the 15-minute, whatever's easier for you. The previous close, you just hover. You're going to see right here on the C for closing. Close is 5.97. Pre-market high is 19.7. Open 18.48. Intraday high 21.5. No, sorry, it actually goes higher. It's gonna be this one right here. It's gonna be a high 25.82. 25.82. I'm gonna delete this. The low of day now. That's this one, 16.2. Close 25.16. And as you can see, most of the Excel formulas that I have are already automatically, as I keep inputting the data. It's telling you already, what the spike was, what the spike up was, what the spike down was. For example, if you want to know how much it spiked up, you could just start from the beginning. Click, hold, go up, it went up 39% and then went down 12. So it should be 39 and 12. As you can see here, it's 39 and 12. Correct. The same for the metric during pre-market hours. How much did it spike up? We go from close all the way to the highest pre-market. That's 231% and went up. Okay, yeah, maybe just a little bit of rounding error, but it's 331, 229. And then from the highest point pre-market to the time it opened, it went down 6%. That's usually what I call the pre-market decline. This is it right here. So that's just one little example for one stock for one day. And I usually go about doing these like every day, so they won't pile up. And then once you're done with a sheet like this, you can get like a whole long Excel sheet that you can work with. You can filter, you can sort, and you're gonna be able to start picking up some patterns that you can take advantage of. All right, that was all. Thank you.